Hello and welcome back to another Geek Panda Tech unboxing video, and today we have the Victure 1080p Wi-Fi Full HD AC400 action camera. Now the box is quite simple, as you can see, but we do have a couple of specs on the back there. So 1080p Full HD capture, 12 megapixel high quality photographs, 170 super wide angle, 30 meters waterproof, 2-inch LCD screen, and control and view built-in Wi-Fi. So let's open up the box, see what's inside. So I have a manual. It's quite an in-depth full manual by the looks of it, showing you how to use all the accessories. That's in another language. So there we go. The action camera itself is just slotted into that cardboard cutout there. And as with most action cameras, it's already installed into its waterproof case. Some instructions on the back there to show you how to open up the case itself. Which I need to look at myself, I think. There we go. That's quite an unusual release mechanism. It's the actual camera itself. Again, micro SD slot, HDMI slot, and TF/SD card slot there. Up and down, but also that shows you there that that's the Wi-Fi button too, and OK and mode button on the front there. Cool, let's place those to one side. Now in this box you have all your accessories. It's quite squashed in there, so there we go. Let's get this box out of the way. Some microfiber cleaning cloth, security chain and extra sticky pads, a whole camera mount grab system, an upright clip-in system, so again squeeze those in and push it into the mount. This allows to maybe attach to a pole or a tripod if you've already got some kind of camera mounting system. Some zip ties, some straps to go around your chest or your head or whatever, some sticky mounted systems for helmets maybe, and then as I said, you push those attachments that you put onto the camera in there and it holds them nice and securely. The other angle for mounting your camera. This is a replacement front display, but with the cutouts in the side to allow you to put your straps through. A crocodile clip. More of a flat camera mount system there. Another one that's the other angle. A micro USB and chargers for the batteries. And these are 1050 milliamps. Cool. Let's get to the camera that we buried. Now I did see, I think this is a quick release door, but I could be wrong. If that is meant to be quick release, it's not very easy to get into. There we go. I guess that's easier to get into if you don't have a SIM card remover like some of the others that we've tried. And I guess once it's got a battery in there, it might sit a little bit more up, so it might pop out a little bit easier. Oh, bit difficult to get back in there. Oh, that's because I put it in the wrong way. There we go. So yeah, once that's got a battery in, that pushes up a lot more easier. So that's pretty cool. Right, let's turn it on, see if anything happens. There we go. No card inserted. So it's on video mode, picture mode. Let's quickly put a card in there. I did have one somewhere. Maybe I've misplaced it. Anyway, that's a quick look at the Victure AC400 1080p Wi-Fi action camera. I quite like this material on the front. It's kind of like that soft plastic. Kind of a weird colour LED on the top there. It's like an orange. And I also quite like the quick release battery button there, as they can be really finicky to get into. It's a shame that it's not a bit higher than 1080p, as most action cameras these days are at least 4K. But thank you very much for tuning in today. A thumbs up would be great. Any questions or comments that you'd like me to see and maybe answer, please leave a comment down below, and a subscription would be fantastic. So click that subscribe button to keep in touch